Hello everyone, welcome to our Grab and Go series. Today we are going to show you how to do a wet pouring exercise from jug to 2 equal cups. This exercise aims to develop children's pouring skills and to develop their eye-hand coordination. Let's watch the presentation. Judith, are you ready? Today I'm going to show you how to do a wet pouring exercise from jug to 2 equal cups. Watch me do it, you may have your turn later. For more videos, follow us on all our social media platforms. Bye!